Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. And today guys, we're gonna cook some cow foot. I just went to the farm this morning and I buy this bag of cow foot. So we're gonna cook cow foot guys. So stay tuned, I'm gonna wash it. So stay tuned and keep watching. I'm gonna be right back. So okay guys, I'm washing them off, rinsing them off now guys. I wash them with some vinegar and lime. A third round. Guys, I'm gonna season with my dry seasoning now guys and get it on the fire. Okay guys, so in my season this morning I have flavor rice, this is dash, black pepper, seasoning salt, I have some paprika over here, ginger powder, this is a garlic plus, and this is onion powder. So this is all my seasoning, and every one of it's on just 1 teaspoon guys, not more than a teaspoon. So I'm gonna rub up my cow foot and I'm gonna put it on to start cooking. But this is gonna take a little time, maybe an hour or two, maybe 2 hours. So now I'm gonna rub it up and I'm gonna get it on the fire, okay guys? I can cover it all into the seasoning. I'm gonna set this aside and I'm gonna look about my green seasoning guys. So stay tuned and keep watching. So okay guys, I'm gonna add my oil to my pot. Just adding some coconut oil. I'm gonna add my meat. I'm gonna add my cow foot to my pot now, guys. Add a little water just to start it getting steaming guys. Just a little bit. So I'm gonna cover this, I'm gonna keep it on, I'm gonna put it at medium and I'm gonna cover this and it's gonna take time steaming its own water there. So stay tuned and keep watching. So okay guys, I'm gonna add about 2 cups of water. I just boil it in the kettle. I'm gonna add about 2 cups let it start cooking now. Okay guys, so that's guys, I'm gonna cook this on low heat, no pressure guys. I'm just gonna cook this on low heat, so stay tuned and keep watching. I'll give you it step by step, okay? So okay guys, we're gonna make a check and we're gonna add our seasoning. And I just boil up some water in the kettle, so I'm gonna add it after also. So guys, I have half a orange pepper, half a green pepper, half a red pepper, and half a yellow pepper, and 1 onion. So stir this up a little bit. Let it cook down. I'm gonna add some more water to it. Give it maybe another hour. So guys, I boil the water so it can go faster. Okay guys, so that may be 2 cups of water I just add to it. So we're gonna cover it and keep it at low heat still. So stay tuned guys and keep watching. So okay guys, we're gonna add our rest of seasoning to our cow foot now. In here I have the other half of onion and 4 stalk of scallion and about 5 garlic and the thyme. Have some thyme guys. So we just add every seasoning now guys and make it stay there and take time and simmer. And finish cooking, okay guys? Give it a little stir. Oops. Just to make sure everything is done in the seasoning. So I'm gonna make it cook for another half an hour and then I will see what's going on, okay? Coming on pretty fine. As soon as this dry out, we're gonna it's getting soft, it's getting tender. Guys, it takes a time to get in there. Okay guys, my cow foot is coming on very fine. As you can see, I'm gonna add my broad bean to it, my lima bean. Falling off the bone. A lot of gravy guys, a lot of gravy to eat my rice, and I make 2 cassava dumpling for me and my niece, just for 2 of us. So okay guys, so I'm gonna put my lima bean and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm adding my bean. I'm gonna see if one is enough. Let's stir this up and see. If it's not enough, I add the other can, guys. Just want it heat up. Okay, I'm gonna add the other one. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cut the other one and put in here also. So I like to see my beans in my cow foot. I'm adding the 2 cans. So guys, I'm just gonna give it 10 minutes, make it heat up, and I'm gonna show you the finished product. So stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, this is the finished product of my cow foot, guys, with gungo peas and a little coleslaw. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please, and tell me where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in our next video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in our next video. Ciao.